In this video, we'll unbox and set up the Xmaker Joy and do our first print. Open the box and take everything out. The contents include an Xmaker Joy, stickers for customizing printer's appearance, a quick guide, a spool of filament, a pair of pliers for cutting filament, a spool holder, a card for collaboration, and a magnetic base plate. Now let's take a close look at the printer. This is the door. We suggest keeping it closed while printing. At the bottom is the indicator light, which indicates the printer's status. At the back is the feeder system and the hole for holder. Below, you'll find the printer ID, reset button, switch, and socket. These are ventilation holes. These two are for debugging only and are not needed for regular use. On both sides and on the top, there are extensions for customizing printer's appearance. This is a tube for filament. While the printer is working, the tube can move within this space. Scan this QR code to access the video and get started. Open the door. The adapter is inside the foam. If we see a cable tie there, we can just take out the foam, cut off the tie, and remove it. Now you can see the print head and the print bed. Pull the bed out and put the base plate on the bed. Ensure that the base plate is properly aligned and secured on the print bed. The camera is on the right. Xmaker Joy provides enclosed printing environment, which makes printing silent. Install the film holder and the spool. We can remove the cover by pressing these two sides. Cut the filament slant and straighten it. Push the spring up. Meanwhile, insert the tip and feed the filament into the tube. Put the cover back. Now we have finished hardware setup. Download the Xmaker app from the App Store. We can also download the app on tablets and laptops from this website. Open the app, log in or register, and select Xmaker Joy. Follow the prompts to prepare the printer. Now take the cable and connect power. Turn the printer. Long press the red button until we hear a beep, and the indicator light turns yellow, which indicates it is ready to connect. Time to connect to Xmaker Joy. Enter the Wi-Fi password, noting that only the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi frequency is supported. The phone will search for available printers and connect automatically. When the connection is successful, the light will turn blue. To print models, load the filament. Tap Load in the app to start. As the nozzle heats up, the light will turn multiple colors, and the filament will gradually come out. Once loading is complete, cut vanning residues. If you don't feel like printing at the moment, you can tap Downloading, Continue to proceed to the next step. Later, load filaments in printer, install filament to prepare to print. After loading is complete, choose a model from them and type print to print our first model. The model will be uploaded and it'll start the first printing. Enable or disable the camera. Type this icon. You can give a unique name to a printer. When the printer is printing, the indicator light flashes continuously. Alright, the printing is complete. Tap here to check the time-lapse video of the whole printing process. PS. You can save the video locally or share it with others. Take out the prints with base plate. Don't forget to put back the base plate. Remove the base. If you are not first-time users of Xmaker app, tap Add a Printer. Set up a new printer here. Then follow the steps to set up and start your first printing by Xmaker Joy. Above is a detailed guide from unboxing to do our first print. For other detailed operations or demonstrations, please go to the Explore guide to watch the tutorial video or find the quick guide, a manual. You can also browse and find help on the EOC Wiki. We hope you enjoy printing. Bye!